In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The arrival of a high-ranking delegation from Tajikistan to Kabul. Afghanistan ambassador in Ankara meets with the Turkish Deputy Interior Minister. And 7 killed in an explosion in Indian-administered Kashmir. Welcome to our today news package. It's Saturday, the 21st of Jumadil Awal, 1447, the 24th of Agrab, 1404, and the 15th of November, 2025. The news details. A high-ranking delegation from Tajikistan has arrived in Kabul today. The purpose of the visit is to strengthen political, economic, and security ties between Afghanistan and Tajikistan. It is expected that the delegation will discuss the future cooperation, the status of the Afghan embassy in Dushanbe, the capital of Tajikistan, and several other related issues with the officials of the Islamic Emirate. Sheikh Saniullah Farahman, the ambassador of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan in Ankara, met with Muhammad Aktash, the Deputy Minister of Interior of Turkey. Based on the Afghan embassy in Turkey, the two sides discussed bilateral, cultural, and political relations, as well as the challenges faced by Afghans living in that country. The news continuation. Over the past 24 hours, Friday 23rd of Agrab, 8,642 Afghan migrants have returned to the country from Pakistan through Turham and Spin Buldak crossing borders. Additionally, 191 Afghan migrants have returned from Iran via Islam Qaleh and Silk Road crossing during the same period. And finally, in an explosion in Indian-administered Kashmir, at least 7 people have been killed and 27 injured. International media reported that the blast occurred at the police facility in the city of Srinagar, with the most of fatalities being police officers and the criminal investigators. The condition of 5 of the injured is reported to be critical, and it is feared that the death toll may rise. We have reached to the end of our news program. Further informative materials are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.